If you manage more than one mobile account for social media, e-commerce, testing, and all, you already know the pain. Multiple phones, multiple logins, proxies, even apps you have to keep track of manually, and constantly switching devices just to keep things from bleeding into each other. At some point, posting simply becomes overwhelming and, above all, costs an incredible amount. And my friends often joke that it takes me 15 to 30 minutes just to post a single video. But there's a really simple solution for exactly that. GeeLark. In this video, I'll show you exactly what GeeLark does, how it works, and whether it's worth your time. Remember to like and subscribe. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So what is GeeLark? It's a cloud phone platform, and it's actually positioned as the first cloud phone solution that lets you remotely control multiple phones from your computer. Instead of buying and managing physical devices, you get real phone environments running in the cloud, and you can control all of them from just one dashboard. That means you can run TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or any mobile-first app across several separate accounts, with each one behaving like a genuine, independent mobile user. So, to access GeeLark, visit their website www.geelark.com. The link's in the description. From there, click on Sign Up and input your details, email, password, and click on Get Verification Code. Then, a code will be sent to you. I already have one, so I'll skip all these. After verification, you'll get here, and then GeeLark only properly works with their app, so you'll be prompted to download their app. Just click on Download. After it's done downloading, you can install it from your files and wait for it to install completely. Then you can launch it from there. So this is their main interface, and here's the dashboard. On the left, you've got Profiles, Proxies, Library, AIGC, GeeLark AI, Analytics, Applications, Automation, Synchronizer API. This is a full workspace, not just an emulator. Let's start with Profiles, because this is the core of GeeLark. Each profile is a separate cloud phone, a real remote Android device with its own unique fingerprint. GeeLark currently runs on 7 different Android OS versions, so you can match the environment to what you actually need. Now, to set up an account, click on New Profile at the upper right side of the screen. Next, you give the profile a name. I'll use Project 2. I'll also use Android as operating system. Next, I'll input my proxy. One thing to note here is when using an external proxy, use Custom, but when using proxy purchased in Slide GeeLark, use gProxy, then select which type of proxy it is. I'll select HTTP next. I'll input my proxy number and the port. Then input username of the proxy and password. I'll select the location of my proxy in HitchBiz US. Next, you'll select the state Washington and the province Seattle. Click on Create. Just like that, the phone has been successfully created. What's next is click on Start Tie-in, wait for it to connect to the cloud phone. Then it'll bring this Android interface with most social apps pre-installed. I'll open Play Store, and in order to use it, I'll have to sign in, so I'll sign in, and then I can immediately start posting after opening the apps on the phone. Right next to Profiles is Proxies, and this matters a lot if you're running several accounts because each one usually needs its own connection. GeeLark lets you build your own proxy list, check that a proxy is actually working, and assign it straight to a profile when you create it with no need of re-entering credentials every time. To do that, I'll just click on Add Proxy, then choose my desired proxy, then select Check Proxy. After that, the proxy has been successfully added. The point is, you're not jumping between a proxy tool and a device tool. It's one workspace. Then there's AIGC. It's a paid option in the library section, and it is where GeeLark goes beyond device management into actual content creation. Inside, you get image to video, text to video, image generator, and an AI video editor. So if your workflow needs a constant stream of short-form content, reels, shorts, TikTok clips, you can generate it right here, and it drops straight into your library, ready to post from the same profiles you're managing. Now this part surprised me. GeeLark AI. It's an assistant built into the platform, powered by DeepSeek, and it's not just a generic chatbot bolted on the side. It's tied to actual GeeLark workflows, things like TikTok video posting, TikTok carousel posting, posting on Facebook, publishing YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, even Reddit. There are also quick answer shortcuts for stuff like how do you charge, how to use RPA, and how to configure a proxy. So if you're new to cloud phones and proxies, this is basically a built-in guide instead of digging through docs. Next is applications. GeeLark has a built-in app store, social media apps, e-commerce apps, video tools sourced straight from the Play Store, and you can push them to your cloud phones directly. If something's not in the store, you can just upload the APK yourself. All you have to do is to check the apps that you need exactly and then click on Install. That installs the app immediately. If you're managing multiple profiles, this saves you from manually setting up every app on every device, every time. So one download does it for all. GeeLark also has 3 levels of automation. RPA gives you pre-built templates for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube automatic posting, liking, commenting, even automatic account registration, or you can build your own custom flow. By clicking Create a Custom Flow, then manually selecting everything you want in the workflow. Synchronizer lets you control multiple cloud phones at once by mirroring whatever you do on your main window across all the others. Genuinely useful if you're posting the same content across several accounts. This makes it easier when posting similar content over different accounts. And for developers or power users, there's a full API to plug GeeLark into your own automated pipelines. If you're working with a team, which you most likely are, GeeLark lets you set permission levels per member and share specific profiles, so you're not handing over access to everything just to let someone manage one account. On pricing, GeeLark has a free plan to explore the basics, plus paid tiers built around your actual usage, pay per minute or monthly rental, and cost scales with how many cloud phones you're running in parallel. Before picking a plan, be honest with yourself about how many profiles you need, how often you'll actually use them, and whether you need the automation and AIGC tools or just the cloud phones themselves. GeeLark also offers several discounts in order not to break the bank, so bottom line, GeeLark is a complete package: cloud phones, proxies, automation, content generation, and team access, all in one workspace, with fingerprinting that's genuinely functional, not just a buzzword. For teams juggling multiple accounts, that alone saves serious time. The catch: there's a real learning curve. You need to grasp profiles, proxies, and fingerprints before it clicks. And this isn't for casual single-account use. It's built for people with real operational load. So that's GeeLark, more than a cloud phone tool. A full system for running multiple identities, creating content, and automating the busy work. If you want to try it yourself, the link's in the description. Let me know in the comments. Would you use GeeLark more for social media management, e-commerce, or automation? Thanks for watching.